Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore a purchase in Filmora. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your right corner, press on your account there, and after that press on restore purchase. And as you can see, the purchase has been just restored, and now you can just simply enjoy whatever you have purchased beforehand. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.